music. Let's go.
Let's make catfish pepper soup with some dry catfish head. Dry catfish head. Okay. This is onions. I'll be making onions sauce. So if you are not a lover of onions, come on buddy for this one. Let's check the fish. The aroma is everywhere. Oh my goodness, so good. The aroma is heavenly. Now let's add some vegetable, any vegetable of your choice. Uziza or tazi, anyone you prefer. The pepper soup is ready. Off the heat, still cooking. Now let's make my onion sauce. Pepper. We want to keep it crunchy. I'm frying on a high heat. Seasoning powder and salt. Look at that. I'm going to add the remaining onions and it's ready. This is just for more crunchiness. Come on body if you don't like onions. This is everything delicious, everything good. Off the heat and it's ready. You bless the boy, give him victory, Joro. The girl is fine, no fresh and beautiful, Joro. Please, oh Joro, you do for me, oh you good. Next time. Come on.